Welcome to another breathtaking adventure on our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most stunning technological marvels ever witnessed in China. A record-breaking drone light show featuring 8,100 drones in the vibrant city of Shenzhen. This event was not just a feast for the eyes, but also a testament to the seamless integration of art, culture, and cutting-edge technology. Let's explore how this spectacular performance came to life and why it left audiences worldwide in awe. Imagine the night sky above a bustling city coming alive with vivid lights and breathtaking visuals. That's exactly what happened in Shenzhen, when 8,100 drones synchronized perfectly to create a mesmerizing light show that illuminated the entire skyline. From dynamic animations to intricate designs inspired by Chinese culture, the drones formed shapes like dragons, lanterns, and futuristic symbols, leaving thousands of spectators spellbound. The performance not only showcased traditional Chinese elements, but also highlighted the city's innovative spirit, making it a truly unforgettable experience. Pulling off such a large-scale performance required state-of-the-art technology. Each drone was equipped with high-powered LED lights and advanced navigation systems, allowing them to move in precise patterns. Thanks to 5G connectivity and artificial intelligence, the drones communicated in real time, executing complex maneuvers flawlessly. Engineers and artists collaborated for months to design and program every second of the show, ensuring that each drone played its role perfectly. The result? A seamless display of light and motion that pushed the boundaries of what's possible with modern drone technology. What made this show even more special was its ability to blend tradition with modernity. As the drones formed ancient Chinese symbols and futuristic designs, they told a story of China's journey, honoring its rich cultural heritage, while embracing its role as a leader in global technology. This stunning combination resonated deeply with both local audiences and international viewers, reflecting the unique charm of Shenzhen as a city that celebrates progress without forgetting its roots. The Shenzhen Drone Light Show didn't just set a new world record, it also set a benchmark for how technology can revolutionize entertainment. Unlike traditional fireworks, drone shows are eco-friendly and versatile, offering limitless possibilities for creativity. The global attention this event received has inspired other cities and countries to explore drone technology as a sustainable alternative for festivals and celebrations. If you're planning a trip to China, Shenzhen is a city you can't miss. Known for its innovative spirit and vibrant lifestyle, it offers a unique blend of modern attractions and traditional culture. And who knows, you might even get to witness another record-breaking performance like this one. This spectacular event is just one of many reasons why China is a must-visit destination for travelers worldwide. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more incredible stories about the wonders of China. Let us know in the comments. Would you love to see a drone light show like this in person? Stay tuned for more exciting content about China's rich culture, stunning landscapes, and technological innovation.